So I'm Michelle Hasani and I'm a wellness strategist, mentor and coach. My business is Revive and Thrive. And so I work with individuals and organisations around creating environments where people thrive by focusing mostly on wellness first and then building their toolkit to be able to, navigate change, improve performance within work environments, that kind of stuff. It would be great to have all my pathway, a pathway that was all around intake. But at the moment, what I do is, because I can get my contract electronically signed, I send it that way. I do a wheel of life, but then I send them to, now I can put links in, so I can actually have the link, so I can send a note with links to what I need them to complete, and each of those go to a different, so I've got a health and wellness survey that I do. Some of the activities that I really like that I use regularly are the client's reflection on the session. Because I think for me that was a piece that was missing before. We're getting them to actually, what's their take homes from the session and what do they want to put into action. So I use that. And then I kind of go through the activities, and depending, I've actually got a list of pathways that I should develop on my wall. There's a few things. The client chat in it is great in that I did have someone who kind of really was quite wobbly and was comfortable with sending I can say that to you, you're Australian, you get what I mean, was comfortable with putting a note in Quenza to say, I actually am not coping. And I was then able to privately message back and say, can you hold out till 3 p.m? I've got time in my schedule, I can have a chat with you, and then was able to book a session the next morning. So, which I never ever thought, that that's what I would be doing. But in that sense, that bit's changed, in that people can, send a message like that. It's not in their phone, their partner's not going to see it. So that's kind of good. I think the ability to be able to, I do a lot of walk and talks with clients. So I can literally pop the key points in a note at the end of my session and then go home and draft some notes. And I've been able to capture it, I can go back and edit and do that. And so that can be quite quick. I can schedule things to be delivered so that I'm not having to be on my device all the time. So if I know I've got 3 clients, I know that I'm going to send them particular activities, like the reflection, that I can have come so that they go, oh, that was really good, Michelle's really responsive. And then I can go back in and have stuff that's scheduled the next day as to what activity might be. So it looks like there's a flow on and that I'm amazing, when in actual fact I'm not. Don't
say that.
No, but it has helped streamline that stuff. I actually get to know a little more about whether my clients actually do the work or they don't. And that's, I mean, I did know that before, but I guess I get to see it in real time. It's really easy to use. I like that my onboarding with people is quite seamless.